Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my full year review on these Bowflex adjustable dumbbells that you see right over here. So I actually got these used about 4 years ago. And so these are the Bowflex adjustable dumbbells 52 pounders. And so they can come individually or they can come in a pair. But what's really great about them is that if I actually zoom in, these Bowflex adjustable dumbbells have just really withstood a lot of workouts. And I've even seen some people where they actually have their dumbbells like pounding them on the ground. These have been working perfectly fine for me for about 4 years now. And if you don't know what these are, they're just interchangeable adjustable dumbbells where if this says 15, and this says 15, it is going to be a total of 15 pounds of weight. So both sides do need to be within the same number. So like I mentioned, if this one's 20 and that one's 15, it's going to be like uneven, okay? So you do want it to be even as far as now this side is kind of like 10 and this side over here is about 7.5. So do make sure that it's even. But with these Bowflex adjustable dumbbells though, I have pounded these on the ground. They've never kind of broken on me, knock on wood. And I'd say with all the adjustables out there that are on the market, you want to go for an adjustable dumbbell that is really, really going to withstand the test of time, okay? So with my Bowflex adjustable dumbbells, I even got the stand that you see right over here. So I also got that used. But with this stand, it just makes it so I don't have to crouch down and actually pick these up just because I'm constantly picking them up and putting them down multiple times per day. But this is exactly what the stand looks like, in which it's just plates and it's locked into the stand using a buckle that you see right over there. And then once you're done using it, it easily locks back in just like that. So with these adjustable Bowflex dumbbells, okay, you can honestly hit every major body part using these dumbbells. You can hit chest, you can hit back, you can hit legs. You can even use it for core workouts. You can use it for shoulder workouts. They really do the trick at being such a good staple in starting your home gym or starting your home workout journey. Now with these also, I want to mention that they don't take up a lot of room, okay? I can argue, or some people may argue, like you can have like a rack that's triangular and you can have weights go from like 5 to 25 pounds. But as soon as you go like past 30 pounds, it's definitely, those like single-handed dumbbells are definitely going to take up so much more weight than these adjustable dumbbells here. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted them. I wanted them just because I didn't want to have so many dumbbells line up against my wall and have to take up so much room. But because I have these, this is the only area within my home gym that actually occupies space dedicated to my dumbbells. So you can see it's just this little corner here. And with that though, I'd say it's such a staple for any home gym owner. And because Flex has been around for so long, you really start to get reviews how these dumbbells, after using them, I probably use these like 4 or 5 times a week, multiple times per day. And with that, they're really still going strong. So I'd say the only adjustment to this is that although there's no neural grip linking in the center, the rubberized piece is still really, really comfortable to hold. So what I mean by that is like sometimes now handles on certain bars or like lat pull down bars or some dumbbells, they'll have like neural grip linking, but this one here is just a rubber. But honestly, I'm perfectly fine with that. I feel like neural grip linking wasn't as popular as it was that it is now today. But with these Bowflex adjustable dumbbells though, years later, still going strong. I'd say the only con of it is that I do wish I got a heavier weight. These ones here only go up to 52 pounds. But yeah, if you're looking for an adjustable dumbbell that is going to save you space, that's going to last you a very, very long time, definitely check these out though, just because they've lasted me well over 4 years now, guys. They're still a huge staple part of my home gym. And with them, I absolutely love them. I love the color. I love how they're still going strong like years later. And there's nothing better than getting a piece of equipment that lasts you such a long time. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.